It's Thanksgiving. I love that I can do this every day. Stock market's open or closed. We pumped last night over 91,000. I'm shorting right now. I'm up back to my favorite. Bitunex beats all the other exchanges. There's a link below. 2Bit is below as well, and some others, but this is my favorite. So here we are. I want to show you how you can do controlled entries. If you trade at 28x isolated, you can compound your winnings. Okay, I just won a trade, and I know that 91,000 is going to break. So we don't need a big percentage here to actually win. Let me go ahead. Hold on. We're going to let this run for a minute. Now, most people in the past, we used to trade on cross. That uses your whole wallet. It gives them total control. I like isolated. All you can lose is what you put in the trade. But in order to do that, the days of running at 100 or 86x with a gap of $3,000 are over. I'm going to close this 4%. This way we start from scratch together. I think the whole number is going to break. Okay, but let's see. We're on a 1-minute chart, which is a mistake. You really want to be on the 3-minute. Time of day, 7:30 a.m. Normally there's a stock market pump. A stock market pump before, I would say around 8 to 9 a.m. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen today because the stock market is closed. So 91,000 should break. I'm going to enter at 28x. It's going to create a gap. Here we go. I'm watching the numbers break. 55. We're going to enter here. Now, even if I have to leave this for a few hours, let's see what our wallet is now. Okay, so let's do $5,077. That's what we're starting with. I love that, the difference between like 2Bit and this is on 2Bit. The minute you enter, okay, they go ahead and take out a chunk of fees. I don't feel the fees here on Bitunex versus the other exchanges. I'm sure they're the same. That's how they make their money. But once again, I really don't like to change my leverage. Okay, I'm at 28x. Here's what's important: the gap. There's $3,000 between me and liquidation. At 28x, that occurs naturally. I still have money up here. I'm not on cross. I can use this if I want to. I can either add it to the trade, or there's something that only Bitunex has. This pencil right here. My current liquidation is 94,000. I can buy margin. Do you hear me? I can push away the liquidation price. Something that I can control. I can take half of my balance or all of it. Look at what happens if I hit confirm. Now my liquidation price is $95,000. So I know I can do that if I want to, but I'm not going to right now because I might want to even add to this trade. So now we're going to pause it because we don't stare at the chart all day. This is part of the new thing, okay? We know this whole number is going to break. Let me take you in my Discord, which is linked below, and it's free. When you come in, say hello so we know you're human. Bitcoin follows a certain behavior. When 226 breaks, it's called a downward drift. Next is the 113, then the 086. Let me share it with you in my Discord group. Come over here. Everyone's here, all my people. So come here, let me show you some pictograms. You're going to love these. Okay, so what we believe in is we set the trade, protect the trade, we walk away. We come back and we get our money. Instead of staring at the minutia of this, okay, we use something simple, like the Coinbase 1-hour chart. Something like this. Like if you were long at 89,000, this is a 1-hour chart here so you can see on your phone. If you were long at 89,000 and all of a sudden this happens, you run and go get your money. Isn't that much better? Let me check on my trade. It's time to hyper warp compound. We are going to break the whole number. I am going to add the rest of my balance into the trade. My liquidation remains the same at 94,000. I made a conscious decision. Oh, look at the number. 91,000. 086 is coming. Now the whole number will break. We will go into profit. How do I know? Well, not only do we have simplicity like this, hey, walk away and come back and get your trade, but we have something else, okay? The coordinates, breaking beams. Now, if it's going to go to the next whole number from 91 to 92, okay, we know the range. It has to grab a hold of the 950. But if it's going to break down, breaking beams, first it slams the 226. Look at that. Okay, we watch it happen. Then the 113. Then the 086, the dreaded 086. It must hammer on 086 several times before it breaks. Now, if we were at higher leverage, we'd be into profit already. Can you move your leverage amount? Yes. Should you move your leverage? No, absolutely not. Does it speed things up a little bit? Yes. Okay, but it does slightly, I think, reduce your trade size. So again, we must add that back in. Oh my God, did I do long? Oh, no. Flash close. Oh my God, I closed the wrong one. Oh my God, now we have to go all in, okay? We have to go all in, reduce the leverage. What a fat-fingered mistake. 26x, boom. $5,000, all of it, boom, short. Oh, we just had a crisis here. We might have lost money. No, we're good. All of that, we're still good. Wow, I love Batunek. So now we are beginning the hammer phase. Would you like to see it? The 086 is special. It's like a lake of ice. And you are hammering on it, 226, to 113, and then the 086 got to hit it a couple times. Boom, 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 and then smack, crack, the whole number breaks. Now you're at 90,000, just above, like around. Sometimes you'll go to 90,888, and then it's human nature to buy the dip, and it goes back over the whole number. You know what we do? We stand at the hilltop, right over the whole number of 92,000, like with a baseball bat, ready to smack them. Okay? So the first time it breaks, we call it tossing a dwarf. Let somebody else break it first. Don't be the first one in, but I like to do this. I'm first. I'll go first. I break the rules for everybody because I know that it's going to break down. Okay? And I'm on my favorite exchange. There goes the 086 now. Look. So it hammers back and forth in this range until it breaks. The Red Army is approaching on the hilltop. Every pump, it only goes up and down. They pumped all night. And now, the Red Army is storming on the coordinates. Here comes the 086 again. There it is. You can see it with your own eyes. The breaker is incoming. A meteorite from space that will bring us into profit. As you ponder the wild possibilities, under my video, click show more or pin to the top comment. Let me teach you how to trade. For a fraction of a Bitcoin, you get a lifetime membership. That alone is priceless. Trading over my shoulder, having help, people guiding and teaching you, pop-up Zooms, all of that. 0.035, and I am increasing that as Bitcoin drops. Soon it will be 0.05. like it used to be, now that we're well under 100,000. So you have a lifetime membership with all the people I've trained in a locked private room, and we're all helping each other. But there's something magical. There's something magical. It all begins not with the pop-up Zoom calls or any of that. It begins with our consultation. Yes, I share my screen with you. I teach you exactly how to play this game of war. Red Army versus the Green Army. Simple. The bigger the candle, the stronger the move. The smaller the candle, the weaker the move. I will teach you how to enter, how to exit, when to trade, when not to trade. It's almost as good as cheating. 0.035 in BTC, or you can calculate it out, figure it out, and I'll take USDT. But I am telling you, it is going back to 0.05. Okay, this is dust. This is worth the lifetime access to my Legends War Room alone. My consultation, people have paid thousands for that. And they are with me to this day, winning. The link is below. The email is below. All you need to do is say, Oracle, where do I send 0.035? If you're in my Discord, you can DM me directly. Skip the email. I'll put you on my schedule. I will teach you, and then I will unlock the locked rooms. You will learn everything. Coordinated attacks, everything. No TA, no staring at screens. And you won't be alone anymore. I haven't changed this website in years. Because I don't need to. I don't advertise it. It's not a lesson, of course. It's an experience. It's a lifestyle change. It's a skill that you will acquire. You're coming to Crypto Leverage Military Boot Camp. Nobody else can teach you this. I'll teach you in person. I'll tell you, this is what I'm making the price. 0.05 like it used to be. That's $4,500. And right now it's only 0.035. $3,190. Because we were well over 100,000. This is what a membership to a private group alone would cost you a year. We're talking about elite. You have lifetime access, plus you have access to me, plus the initial consultation alone is worth thousands. I will teach you what I never teach on YouTube. Do you think I give it all away for free? No, I create legends. We know what time Bitcoin's going to pump. We know when it's going to dump. And look at these people. Look at GB. Look at all of these individual epic trades. You see, when they do them individually, I can only read one at a time.
GB said 95% tack long.
If he did them all together, my computer robot would be reading them off. And you know what, Johnny Boy, 47%. He just posted this yesterday.
Johnny Boy said 47% BTC long from under whole number.
If you look down
Thanks
here,
so.
Johnny Boy's been here since 2001, November 19th. Hey, happy anniversary, bro. 2021. This is amazing. They're about to break our whole number just as predicted. It's getting slammed on. Boom, 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 boom. Nobody else can teach you. Technical analysis is a prediction of the past. We are a prediction of the future. We are about to print money. We're about to take everything. Now, the best part about the walkaway trade is you get bigger wins. Bigger wins. Only I can teach this. Look at Coffeetographer, 29%. Look at Laddie. He's been here for a long time.
Laddie said 37% short sold.
Look at this.
After AM pumps. TPW1231 said 22% long esports. Johnny Boy said 64% ETH and 61% BTC longs.
Let me ask you.
Thanks.
If you could learn this skill to do this over and over and over again. 91,000 has been breached. We have a breach. We are in profit. We're on low leverage, but our wallet should be going up. There we go. It has been breached. They will now buy the dip. It's the beginning. Here it goes. We've seen it coming on the 1 hour now. The ability to predict the future. Is it priceless? Is it worth it? You can go on and on and on and on. And when you come in, you're going to land in the non-trading room. What I want you to do is I want you to see the daily trade updates. This is where I'm posting even on Thanksgiving. The Oracle links, the best there is. The Legends room. This is locked unless you had a consultation with me. Okay, then you become Legend. Then you get into that unlocked room. We will unlock it for you. We have breached the whole number exactly according to the coordinates that I taught you. This is legendary. These are my people, even here on the holidays. Now, these are people that are straight out of the testimonial room here, okay, in real time. And you get to meet them. How many people do you know that can hit altcoins? Women.
GB said 164% tack long. Sunflower said 23% BTC long at 68x.
Willin,
Thanks,
everybody
Oracle.
Hitting it. So this is the way. Breach has occurred. And I told you it would. Join us. I hope you didn't long the top. They'll buy the dip, and we will short them over and over again. And that is how you create these testimonials. People, the link is below the video. Read all about it. 0.035 change your life. And I'm telling you, I'm not kidding. It always was and will go back to 0.05. The link is below. Get in my Discord. DM me. How do you DM me? Okay, you're going to look for one of my messages and go like this. I don't know. Click on me and you can DM me. Here, I'll make myself available. There you go. Boom. The O is here. When you land, you'll be in the non-trading room. Okay? That's where the lounge. We call it the lounge. And walk through. See everything for yourself. You have a great day.